A little bit of that mint sauce. Mint sauce on the veggies. Oh, buttered potatoes with a little bit of mint sauce. Come on. There you go. That is how to make a Sunday roast with lamb chops. That easy. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are doing a Sunday roast. 3 veg and some meat. Look at these, ladies and gentlemen. This is something which is very rare in my life these days. Lamb chops. A lot of people haven't even seen a lamb chop, never mind cook them. I'm going to show you how to cook them properly, and we're going to do the bog standard boil the veg. We're making a Sunday roast, very quick, very easy actually to cook these lamb chops and this veg. We're going to make a mint sauce, traditional with lamb. We're going to make a Coleman's mint sauce. Let's crack on and do it, come on. Right, we need to salt, pepper, everything on these lamb chops, and they've got to sit there for about 15 minutes, okay? Now they're going to sit there for 15 minutes. Just chuck them out of the way. We've got some new potatoes. These want to go on to boil, okay? We're going to get them on with some salt. So we're going to go in there with some water, and we'll chuck them on behind me. They're going to take about 15 minutes to boil. So while they're boiling, we're just going to put it all together as it happens. There you go. There's some salt in there. I'll chuck that behind me. Now it doesn't matter if they're cooked before everything else. You know, we're going to drain them. We're going to chuck some butter over them. We're going to stick a lid on. We're going to keep them warm. Okay, our lamb chops. Now, for a recipe like this, you would use fresh rosemary or even dried rosemary and salt. Well, if you've got rosemary salt, we're using that instead of the salt and the rosemary. Rosemary salt is on the channel, so you can go ahead and make it. So we want a little bit of that on there, look. That's going to give us that fabulous flavour. So we've got that going on. We want a little bit of black pepper on there. So let's flip these over. Look at these. Haven't seen any like this in years. There you go. Fabulous. Now these were on offer. I couldn't resist. Okay. A little bit more rosemary salt on there. A little bit more black pepper. And then we want some garlic on there. Garlic optional, obviously. If you don't want to use it, don't use it. Okay? Nothing fancy about this. It's just going to sit on there. I'm going to stick that to one side, and we're going to make a good old-fashioned mint sauce. Now, a good old-fashioned mint sauce is really easy. We're using Coleman's Garden Mint. Okay, it's in there. I want a couple of tablespoons of that in there. I want about a tablespoon of vinegar. Now this is Sarson's malt vinegar. And it's up to you how sweet you want to mix with the sour. 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar. And we want a little bit of hot water. There we go. Okay, bring in a pan. I've got some baby carrots. In there with some water. Not a complicated cook, this one. In there, broccoli. That'll sit on the top. Stick a lid on, put it on to boil. Okay, lamb chops. Many people. Cast iron skillet, screaming hot, loads of oil, whatever, wrong way. Okay, if you look at the lamb chop, you've got this fantastic piece of fat that runs down the side or down the back. We want to put our lamb chops in a completely cold pan. Okay, fat side down. You get them in as best you can. There you go, like that. Let me just wash my dandies. Now you put the flame on about a medium, okay, medium flame. We are going to cook those lamb chops like that for about 7 minutes, and then we'll flip them to the sides for about 2 to 3 minutes a side. And well, about 2 minutes a side. We want to keep it, try and keep it pink inside, but what we are doing, we are rendering the fat off there. We are using the fat, and then we're going to use the fat to make a gravy. Okay, nice and straightforward. We should have a nice crispy on there. Let's have a look. There you go, that's what we're looking at. Okay, now you want to be dropping your chops on the side for about 2 minutes a side. 2 to 3 minutes. It'll be interesting to see if they fit in this pan. And as you can see, there is an abundance of lamb fat in there. We've added nothing. So there's no point adding loads of oil and screaming heat to cook lamb chops. When you've had a couple of minutes, we want to be turning those. Okay, when you've had a couple of minutes, out they come. And we're going to cover this, and they can sit and rest while we crack on. So just cover over with some foil. We want those to stay warm, don't we? They're going to stay cooking. Now look at that lot in there. Absolutely fabulous. We want a couple of tablespoons of that. I'm going to swap to a different pan because we're making a gravy and I want to use a whisk, and I don't want to use a whisk in there. So grab yourself a couple of tablespoons of that lamb goodness. Little flame on. And we want to be going in there with a tablespoon of flour. And we're going to give that a little cooking in there. Just bring that in. That's just going to cook off that rawness, look. That is beautiful. In there with some stock. Now just made out of a stock cube or gravy granules, anything you like really. Right, now a little secret tip to this. You want to take just a little bit of your mint sauce and put that in there. And we have to keep an eye on this. Look, it's thickening too much. We're going to add just a little bit of hot water. Just a little bit of hot water in there. Loosen it up. Fabulous. And there you go. We got a fabulous gravy using that fat from the lamb. And what you can do, you can stir in the rested chops juices into there before you serve up. There you go. A beautiful, beautiful gravy. Okay, well, let's just need to put it all together. our boiled potatoes drained, and we want to chuck in a bit of butter on top of there and put a lid on. So a nice little bit of butter in there, get a lid on, whiz it round and whiz it round before you serve it up. Okay, on there's some potatoes. By heck, that's warm. A little bit of broccoli. Some of those baby carrots on there. A little bit of that gravy. In with our lamb chops. Oh, look at that. On there, a little bit of that mint sauce. Mint sauce on the veggies. Oh, buttered potatoes with a little bit of mint sauce. Come on. There you go. That is how to make a Sunday roast with lamb chops. That easy. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Right. Now, we've been messing around with cameras, so it's been sat for a little while. Let's hope it's still pink inside. Come on. Now this is a butter knife, look. No blade. Look at that. That is absolutely stunning. That is perfectly cooked. Look at that. There you go. That's how to make perfect lamb chops every time. Oh wow, it is fantastic. And you know, many people brought up on the lamb fat. Oh, in here, come on. In here for some crunchy lamb fat. Look at that. Absolutely phenomenal. Nice cooked potatoes. Nice cooked carrots and broccoli. Stems a little bit firm, just nice and cooked. There you go, a perfect Sunday roast lamb chops. How to cook lamb chops properly, cold pan every time. Oh, I just love this crispy fat. That is where all the flavour is. And look at that. Oh, I'm going to be a cannibal. Oh, of course I am. Come on. Oh, yeah. That is sensational. So there you are. If you do get the chance to get hold of some lamb chops, so easy to cook. Really easy. No screaming pans, no messing around. Start with the cold pan. There you go. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Oh, that is sensational.